So we've been playing around with two cameras. Canon 800D, Nikon D5600. Ultimate rivalry between these two. Canon 800D is your basic entry-level DSLR. You're just moving up from your point and click. This is the one you're going to go for. Nikon, slightly more above that, you know? But is it? Canon 800D, Nikon D5600, they both have 24.2 megapixels. Canon 800D actually shoots at 6 frames per second. Nikon only shoots at 5 frames per second. This one has 45 cross-type autofocus points. Nikon, only 39. After using the Nikon for a little while, I actually realized one thing that I love about this camera. This little screen, it feels a lot sturdier. There's a proper click to it. There's not just a little, I think it's in, or is it? I don't know, it's a little bit sad, so it's not gonna go in. No, it's in. You hear it, it's like a manual click. I don't know why I love that so much. One of the things that I really like about this thing as well is the instant swap between your viewfinder and your live view. It's just a little tab on the side here, and then it goes. Sounds like an AK-47 though. It's like loading a gun. So technically the Canon is actually a better camera on the inside, but the Nikon's a better camera on the outside. But if you can actually work around the Canon, it does take a better picture. And it's easier to use than the Nikon when it comes to how you actually get a good image out of it. Price points on these though, they're not badly priced. You're looking at about 9.5 for the Canon and about 10.5 for the Nikon. If you're just coming into the market and you're looking for a decent DSLR, Canon is the way to go. It teaches you everything you need to know. You learn so much with the Canon. Nikon, a little bit harder to use in the beginning. Button layout is very, very good, as I said before. But again, Canon, better camera. Nikon, slightly stronger, better button layout. But the Canon has the better camera. The Canon has that Digic 7 image processor in it, which you find in higher cameras, and they've shoved it into this tiny body that weighs nothing. How? I don't know. But yeah, I don't know. I think I'm gonna need to steal both. Yeah, no, definitely, yeah. Yeah. Thank you, bye.